Logging can generate a lot of information, so we categorize logs into different labels based on their importance. First, we have trace label. Here we get the most detailed logs. It is used for debugging every little step. Next, we have debug. It is useful for developers. It logs detailed events but not as much as trace. Next, we have info. It logs important events like servers, startup, and received requests. And then we have warn. Here it logs potential issues that might cause problem in the future. And then we have the error. Here it logs error when something goes wrong. When you set a log level, you get all logs at that level and all logs above it in priority. If you set label info, you will get info logs, warn logs, and error logs, but you won't get debug or trace logs. So, higher priority logs always get included automatically when you set a lower level. See you in the next video.